Hi there guys, and welcome back to our channel. So I saw an article in the Daily Mail today and I thought that I would give this a go. It's a fantastic cleaning job for a dirty oven door. All you need is a jug full of warm water, which I'll fill up in a moment, a dishwasher tablet, and I'm going to use a glove to keep my hands nice and clean. So I've put some white card down so that we can see all the grime and dirt that comes off the door. So on goes the glove, and I'll remove the dishwasher tablet from the wrapper. It's just an ordinary regular dishwasher tablet. And I've just got some warm water here from the kettle that boiled earlier. I'll just drop the dishwasher tablet in that warm water, let it fizz for a bit, and let's see how this works. So here we go. And it's coming off. Okay, so I'm just going to clean off the area that I've been working on with a microfiber cloth and see the result. That's so cool! Here's before and here's after. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys.